If your garbage disposal isn't working and it's just making a humming sound, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Please work. All right, so the first thing I did was unplug it and plug it back in, and that didn't work. So it's really dark under here, and I couldn't see anything, so... Check this thing out. This is so cool. All right, let's go. All right, so my garbage disposal doesn't have that hole in the middle where you can use that Allen wrench. I tried all the Allen wrenches on that, and then I found the reset button, so I pushed that, and that didn't work. So I looked up some stuff on Google, and they said to use like a wooden spoon or something and try and turn that thing back and forth. So I tried that. That didn't work. And then it said to get a broom, and I'm trying to turn this thing back and forth, back and forth. I can't see what's going on. So I get down there with my headlamp, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like looking, what am I supposed to push? What am I supposed to turn? And then I see it, and I finally start turning it. So I see where I need to put the broom. So you need to grab one of those, the metal parts that's kind of flipped up, and then you just go back and forth and back and forth, and then it started turning, and I was turning it, and I'm just praying that this will work. Please work. I cannot believe that just worked. I've got my headlamp on there. I had my head sticking down in there to see if everything was moving right. Oh my gosh, I cannot even believe that that just worked. I was, oh yes, I do not have to get a new garbage disposal. Thank you. Oh my God. I'm gonna take this thing off now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.